What's going on, everybody? Today we're working on the C4 again, and I have a headlight issue. My driver's side works fine. My passenger side, some days it flips up, some days it don't. Some days it flips about halfway and gets stuck. So this video here is going to be just a removal of the headlight assembly, and then I'll have another video on putting the gears and the little bushings in the actual motor. It's going to be the passenger side. Like I said, the driver's side is the easy one to replace the gear and the bushings. Passenger side is a little more difficult, a little different. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get this headlight out, and then we'll do a part 2 of this, I guess, on the rebuilding of the headlight motor and the putting the gears and 3 little bushings in. So here we go. First thing you want to do is unplug it, and I believe it's going to be 6 10 millimeter bolts. These 2 right here, this one, this one, this one, this one, and 2 down at the bottom, I believe. Not quite sure. I've never taken one out, so let's see what happens. Alright, got those 6 out, and hopefully everything else comes right out of there, just like so. And that's how you remove the headlight assembly on a 96 to 97 C4 Corvette. I'm sure the earlier years, 84 through 90, 95, or 84 through 93 will be the same or very similar. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.